हेलो गाइस। तो आज हम देखेंगे पाइथन में स्ट्रिंग्स, मतलब स्ट्रिंग्स कैसे वर्क करते हैं, दैट विल सी नाउ. सो आवर हेडिंग विल बी पाइथन स्ट्रिंग, that is python strings. Okay, so first we'll take some strings. You know now like how to define strings. It might be in single quote or it might be in double quote. For example, suppose I'll print our company name, that is Infisky. First I'll take single quote Infisky, and next is in double quotes, that is Infisky. So you can see here we can print in single quote also and double quote also, that is string we can define in single also and double quote also. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll assign this string to one variable and we'll print that also we can do. We'll take one var variable, we are assigning Infisky to one variable and we'll print that is var. Okay, see, you can see here, means we can do like this also. We can assign this Infisky to one variable and we can print that. Now see, strings can also work as array also. So we'll see that how string can work as array. So what we'll do, we'll take one variable now, that is a is equal to Infisky. Okay, now we'll give suppose if you want to print only one letter, that is I, so how we can do that in array. So see, print into bracket a of 1, it is on 0th index, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So suppose if I take here 0, sorry, in bracket, so what it will print, see, it will print only I. Okay, suppose if you want f 0 1 2, here it should be 2, so what it will print, it will print f. So so we can understand from this example like string we can use as array also, string as array. Okay, now we'll see how to loop a string, that we'll see. So for that purpose we'll take one for loop. So for var in one string will take, okay, then colon, next we'll print that and we'll see the result. Because we are taking this string in var, it will work in loop. So that will see it is in loop. First it will take I, it will print, then it will take n, then f, y, like that. It is happening in loop. So we can take string in loop also. And one more thing, we can see length also, what is the length of this string. So for that purpose we'll take same one variable name. So I will write Infisky is our company. So we'll see the length of this company. Okay, it should be name company. Okay, so we'll see the length. So to see the length of this string we need to take one function, that is len, len, of variable name. Okay, so you can see here, see, the length of this string is 22. So we can count here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Okay, it will take space also, we need to count space also, so including that it is 22. Okay, so like this we can see the length also, and we can see the we can do this in loop also. So like this we can use the string. Okay, so it is a very small topic I can say, that is string. So you work on this now. So I hope you're getting all the things about strings and all. So we'll go further, that is slicing string, how to do slicing string and modify string, that we'll see. So if you like this, then please like, share and subscribe. So thank you so much everyone, see you in next session.